Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation here, which is 9 to the power of x. This is equal to 54. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's prevent the solution from here. Now we have 9 to the power of x. This is equal to 54. Now to solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So we have log 9 to the power of x. This is equal to log 54. Now you find that log 9 to the power of x, actually this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. So let's apply this power rule property of logarithm so that now log 9 to the power of x becomes x log 9. This is equal to log 54. Now let's divide both sides by log 9. Here we have log 9. So let's simplify here log 9 and log 9 so that now we have x is equal to log 54 divided by log 9. Now the next step is that we can express 54. This is the same thing as 9 multiplied by 6. Now substituting this, we have x is equal to log 9 times 6 divided by log 9. Now, the next step is that log 9 times 6, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, then we have that x is equal to, this is log 9 divided by log 9, then plus log 6 divided by log 9. So from here we can simplify log 9 and log 9 here. So let's simplify here log 9 and log 9 here so that now x is equal to 1 plus this is log 6 divided by log 9. The next step is that we can express 6 basically as 2 times 3, and we can express 9 as 3 to the power of 2. So we have that x here is equal to 1 plus this is log 2 multiplied by 3, everything here divided by log 3 to the power of 2. Now you find that log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, and this can be expressed as log a plus log b. And this implies that x here is equal to 1 plus, now here we have log 2 divided by log 3 to the power of 2, then plus log 3 divided by, here we have log 3 to the power of 2. Now the next step from here, we can apply the power rule property here such that log a to the power of n, this is the same thing as n log a. So that now x here is equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 3, then plus we have here log 3 divided by 2 log 3. So let's simplify here. Log 3 and log 3 here simplifies so that now we have x is equal to 1 plus, here we have a half, then plus this is log 2 divided by 2 log 3. So this implies that here we have x is equal to 1 plus a half, this is the same thing as 3 over 2, then plus a half, this is log 2 divided by log 3. Now you find that log 2 over log 3, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, and this can be expressed as log A to base B. So let's apply this logarithm property so that now applying this property, then we have that x here is equal to 3 over 2, then plus a half. This is the same thing as log 2 to base 3. Now the next step from here, since a half is common here, we can factor out a half so that we have a half. Into the parentheses, we have 3 plus now log 2 to base 3. And this is the value of x from here. This is the value of x. So the next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify. Now, if you recall, we have that 9 to the power of x. This should give us a value of 54. So let's substitute the value of x here so that we have 9 to the power of a half. Into the parentheses, we have 3 plus, this is log 2 to base 3, cross the parentheses. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now, this implies that here we can express 9 as 3 to the power of 2. So that now we have 3 to the power of 2 times half into the parentheses. This is 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 54. So let's simplify 2 and 2 here so that now we have 3 to the power of 3 plus this is log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now 3 to the power of 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Now applying this exponent property, then here we have 3 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now we have that 3 to the power of 3. This is the same thing as 27. So we have 27 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this is actually equal to b. Now applying this logarithm property, then we find that 3 raised to the power of log 2 to base 3, this is the same thing as 2. So let's substitute 2 here. So we have 27 times 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. So this implies that 27 times 2, this is actually equal to 54, and this is equal to 54. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is essentially half into the parentheses 3 plus log 2 to base 3, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Kindly like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.